Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, we will be discussing about the question that is frequently asked in the comment section of our videos. Should we quit our job right now? Is this a good time to quit the job? Is this a good time to resign from the current job? Right. So we will be answering this particular question in detail. But before that, if you're watching this video for the very first time, then please do hit like, share, and subscribe our channel. Right. So we'll be discussing about the recession going on, the further job opportunities that are going to come in the market, right? And we would also like to update you about the new channel that we have started, which is RD Technical Learning, in which we have started uploading videos on Java interview questions, core Java interview questions, testing interview questions, test scenario based interview questions, the questions on Java programming, coding kind of interview questions. So all those things have been covered. So please do like, share, and subscribe our new channel as well. Right now, many people are asking is should we quit right now? Right? Should we quit the job? Is this a good time or not? Okay, so now tell you the scenario, the current market scenario, what it is, and whether you should whether you should resign currently or not. Now, first of all, understand the term what is employee attrition, right? So, employee attrition is defined as employees who are leaving their organization for unpredictable or uncontrollable reasons, right? Again, here the most common being termination, resignation, planned or voluntary retirement, structural changes, long-term illness, layoffs. All these things come here, right? Now, if you see the employee attrition, so if you see what happened during the COVID, right? So during COVID, many of the people uh, got work from home. Almost every employer started giving work from home opportunities because they have to continue their business, right? After COVID went away, after everything, the situation improved, then work from offices started and slowly hybrid model started first, right? It was 2 days in a week you have to work or 3 days in a week. Might be that also might be continuing right now, but most of the companies now have started work from office. That is, most of the companies have started calling employees to the office. Now, what does that mean? So in the past, I think in 2 or 3 months, if you see the statistics, if you do the analysis of the market, many companies like TCS, Infosys, Accenture, they have started calling their employees to the office, and it has been made mandatory, right? Anyone who is not willing to come to the office, strict action is taking up, right? Or you have to have a conversation with the boss or with your managers, and you have to deal with the management. So now work from office is a mandatory thing. Now, as soon as this thing came up, right, you see the number of resignations increased because people were looking out for remote opportunities. People were looking out for work from home opportunities. And why not? Just imagine a person who is from Pune, right? He has got a job in Bangalore, right? He is paying the rent to some particular vendor over there his for his accommodation, and he's also going to the office. But as soon as work from home starts, he's working from Pune, but still he has to pay the rent, right? So what these people will do, they stopped. I mean, as soon as the management decided that there is no need to come to the office, so they went back to the Pune, to their location from where they had come, and they started working from home, right? Remote position. So as soon as these kind of opportunities again called, like you have to do work from office, then definitely what happened, there was a stringent thing that okay, you have to come. So they have to pay their rent and all those things. So they started looking for work from home, remote kind of opportunities, which is why the attrition level went very high. Attrition in the sense I'm talking now, which is in the sense of resignations. There were many people who had resigned from multiple companies like TCS, Infosys, Accenture based on this, right? Now, if you see, the attrition level has dropped, right? So if you see in the top professional firms in India, so this was analysis, this was a detailed topic that was published in Economic Times. right? The attrition levels have dropped at the top professional firms in India, right? So firms such as PwC, KPMG, Deloitte, Ernst& Young, BDO, RSM, and many more, right? They have reported an average attrition rate of 13%. Headcount declined by nearly 60% with these firms hiring around 27,000 since June last year, right? So there is a drop, there is a dip in the attrition also. There is a dip in the hiring also because now these companies will be more focused on refilling the attritions, right? And what they will be doing is, let's say if someone has to be replaced, then that first they will be looking to replace that particular person rather than opening a new job opportunity, right? So this is currently the market scenario, and the companies are more focused on refilling the attrition. Let's say if someone has resigned, someone has got terminated, and it's a service-based company, and if he or she was getting billed, then the first priority will be given to fill that particular place, right? So now the companies will be starting to hire, or they have already started hiring for attrition refills, right? And the campus hiring plans will also continue. So what happened with PwC and Grant Thornton Bharat was that they were planning to hire between 1,000 to 3,000 graduates this year, right? So that is also a good positive news. So currently, based on this particular discussion, it looks like currently it's not a good time to resign from your current job because already the market is down. The companies will be hiring, but it will take some time. As you can see, so many firms, they have hired around 27,000 since June last year, right? There's a drop in hiring. If you see in the campus placements, campus recruitments, campus hiring, also there is also a drop in that, right? So it is very important now that you continue your job for next 2-3 months, and then you can look forward for a good job opportunity, right? So currently it's not a good time to resign from your current company based on the market situation and based on the current job scenarios, right? So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and once again we'll like to remind you all that please like, share, and subscribe our new channel. Also, if anyone is looking for mock interviews, again those are free of cost. Just share your CV at rdautomationlearning@gmail.com. If someone is looking for career guidance, then also share your CV and contact details to this particular email address. We'll be connecting on Zoom. The session will be recorded and it will be uploaded on the YouTube channel for the benefit of others, right? So this video, we discussed about the testing, why there are less calls for testers, hiring is less. What about employee attrition, right? What is employee attrition? What is the current market scenario? Should we resign now? Should we quit the job right now? Is this a good time, right? So these particular things were discussed. So thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates.